Every moving company will tell you they're the best, careful, reliable, trustworthy, but anyone can say that. Today, we're going to show you exactly what we mean when National Van Lines makes a claim about how we work and lets you decide for yourself. If you're planning a move, you're probably weighing up a lot of options, and you deserve to know not just what a moving company promises, but what those promises actually look like on moving day. Here are the claims we make at National Van Lines and what every single one of them means for you. Nearly 100 years of experience. National Van Lines has been doing this for nearly a century. That's close to 100 years of learning what works, refining how we operate, and building the kind of expertise that only comes from experience. Every process we follow, every precaution we take, it's been shaped by decades of moves just like yours. Transparent pricing. At National Van Lines, we believe you should never be surprised by your bill. Transparent pricing means everything is laid out clearly before we move a single item. No hidden fees, no last-minute add-ons. What we quote is what you pay. And we walk you through every line so you understand exactly what you're getting. You're not just moving furniture, you're moving your life, the memories, the milestones, the things that can't be replaced. That's something National Van Lines never loses sight of. And it's why you'll find that reminder at the bottom of every email our team sends. Because for us, this isn't just a job, it's your home and memories. White glove service as a standard. White glove service isn't an upgrade you pay extra for with National Van Lines, it's just how we work. Moving is a big life transition for anyone, but for older adults, it can feel especially overwhelming. National Van Lines understands that. Our team shows up with patience, with compassion, and without rushing. We take the time to listen, to reassure, and to make sure every person feels respected and at ease every step of the way. The extra care, the attention to detail, the going above and beyond, that's our standard, not a premium tier. Because we believe every home deserves to be treated like our own. Transparency in the process. From your first call to National Van Lines to the last box being placed, we keep you in the loop. You'll know who's coming, when they're arriving, and what to expect at every stage. No chasing us for answers, no guessing, just clear, honest communication. Because a well-informed customer is a confident one. These are the claims National Van Lines makes, and the standards we hold ourselves to on every single move. We're not asking you to take our word for it. We're asking you to hold us to them. Because the best moving companies aren't the ones who make the biggest promises. They're the ones who keep them. Ready to get started? Or just have a few questions? Talk to our National Van Lines moving experts today. We're here to help you plan your move with confidence.